सोचो एक बात, शादी हो हवन के आगे फेराज क्यों? घर नया हो वास्तु में हवन क्यों? पूजा हो आरती दिया बत्ती दीप जलना क्यों? बर्थडे हो कैंडल फूक के विश करना क्यों? हर इंपॉर्टेंट चीज हम फायर से क्यों स्टार्ट करते हैं? Welcome to your own channel Boli and welcome to Rig Veda series where we try to connect the Rig Veda concepts to modern concepts ताकि हमें पता चले कि हम जो करते हैं वो क्यों करते हैं and for awareness कि Indians पहले से ही कितने scientific और logical थे. This is episode 2 where we talk about why Rig Veda starts with Agni or I should say why Rig Veda starts with Agni. फायर के बिना क्यों कुछ शुरू नहीं होता? ऋग्वेद दुनिया की सबसे पुरानी किताब का पहला शब्द अग्नि क्यों? फायर वॉज द फर्स्ट टेक्नोलॉजी दैट ह्यूमंस कंट्रोल्ड. मनी रिलीजन राइटिंग ये सबसे बहुत पहले था फायर. फायर गेव कुक्ड फूड मीन्स बेटर डाइजेशन मीन्स बिगर ब्रेन. It gave protection from wild animals. It gave warmth in winters. It gave light and hence longer working hours. No fire, no civilization. ये थी पास्ट की बातें. बट लेट्स कम बैक टू प्रेजेंट अगेन. मम्मी उठते ही दिया जलाती है. मंदिर में जाके हम सबसे पहले एक दीपक जलाते हैं. शादी हवन के या फायर के आजू बाजू आसपास फेराज फरके होती है. गृह प्रवेश में हवन होता है. पूजा के एंड में हम आरती करते हैं. हम ये सबको बोलते हैं ट्रेडिशन. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू ऋग्वेद दिस इज फायर इज इक्वल्स टू विटनेस प्लस प्योरिफायर plus connector. Now what does this mean? Let's take this one by one. So we understood the importance and significance of fire in our human lives. Past में अभी भी हम ले लेते हैं. अभी हम जिसको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोलते हैं, वाईफाई बोलते हैं, पावर बोलते हैं, जो भी बोलते हैं, it's from the source of Agni, that is fire. But now let's take logically कि हम जो करते हैं वो क्यों करते हैं and why fire is so important and why Rig Veda starts with it. Logic number 1. Fire is the only element that transforms. Water remains water, earth remains earth, air remains invisible. Fire changes everything it touches. Raw food becomes cooked food, waste become ash, liquid become vapor, darkness become light. And hence Rig Veda thinkers noticed that transformation is equal to fire. Agni symbolizes change. Agni symbolizes progress, growth. Without transformation, nothing moves forward. Logic number 2. Fire is a purifier. This is not belief, it's chemistry. Fire kills bacteria, it destroys toxins, it sterilizes metals, it purifies the air locally. That's why surgical tools heat sterilized, water boiled, havans एंटीसेप्टिक स्मोक बिकॉज ऑफ हर्ब्स प्लस हीट. सो जो भी बोलते हैं हवन से एयर पोल्यूशन होता है, दैट इज एक्चुअली एंटीसेप्टिक स्मोक बिकॉज ऑफ द हर्ब्स दैट आर बर्निंग एंड इट किल्स द बैक्टीरियाज एंड जर्म्स in the air that is around you and hence it purifies the air. Hence ancient people didn't say germs, they saw result. Hence havans are not harmful if conducted in a proper way. They saw it and they wrote it and hence fire is a purification tool. Logic number 3. Your body also runs on fire. Now the smartest part. Human body का engine हम बोलते हैं मेटाबॉलिज्म, बोलते हैं डाइजेशन, बोलते हैं एनर्जी प्रोडक्शन. मॉडर्न साइंस calls it oxidation, but ancient India called it Agni. Same process. Food plus oxygen is equals to energy plus heat. That's why fever means increased heat. Low metabolism means cold body. Good digestion means strong Agni. Rig Veda started with Agni because life itself is a fire process. Logic number 4. It's kind of small logic, but still. Fire is the only visible energy. Can you see gravity? Can you see electricity? Can you see magnetism? Can you see your Wi-Fi? No. But you can see the fire, that is energy, live. Ancient people used fire as a model to understand invisible forces. That's why Agni became the first concept, not God, but energy made visible. Logic number 5. This is my personal favorite. Rituals use fire because fire creates focus. This is psychology. Sit in front of a flame. Mind slows down, attention stabilizes, breathing becomes rhythmic. And that's why meditation uses candle, Aarti uses moving flame, Havan uses controlled fire. Fire is a natural attention anchor. Rigveda knew that focused mind is equals to receptive mind. And last but not the least, Agni is the power button. Agni first because it is system startup. Modern analogy में बात करते तो फोन का power button, लैपटॉप का boot button, कार का ignition button. ऋग्वेदा लॉजिक क्या था कि लाइफ, रिचुअल और नॉलेज तीनों अग्नि के बिना स्टार्ट नहीं हो सकते, एंड हेंस अग्नि फर्स्ट. That's why puja starts with diya, yagna starts with fire, Rigved starts with Agni, because nothing functions without energy. Let's conclude this video. ऋग्वेदा अग्नि से क्यों स्टार्ट होता है? बिकॉज बिना एनर्जी के, बिना ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के, बिना फोकस के लाइफ में कुछ भी स्टार्ट नहीं हो सकता है. एंड हेंस हवन्स इन पूजा, दिया बत्ती व्हाट वी डू, हेंस शादी में अग्नि के आसपास फेरा, एंड हेंस fire is that important. So whenever you light a diya next time, know that it is also good for your mental health, it is also good for your air around you, and it is also good for your mind in terms of transformation, growth, progress. Because क्या बोला था? Focused mind is equals to receptive mind. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much. In the next video, we are going to take a next important topic, which is the most important topic of Rigved. But I will not reveal it, कि वो क्या है. But trust me, it is the most important concept of Rigved. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, comment. If you like it, share. If you like it, press the like button. If you have not subscribed to Boli channel yet, please do. Because here at Boli, we think before we believe. Thank you so much. I love you all. See you in the next video.